to be for you guys. This my don't talk. This my food don't cold. I know I know they like cold food. So this is it. I have this. I not prepare am now. I get this egusi soup for some while now for freezer. So as I see one lady chop egusi soup yesterday, I say no, I am going to enjoy myself with this egusi soup. Join me, guys. Thank you. After I don't eat and finish, I'll go sleep. Now, no say I like food. Now, no fish at a beg. Oh my God. Anytime I eat this egusi soup, that's not the last one with this. They be like say, they do me like say, I don't understand. They do me like say, I better not shut. It's amazing. Come on, join me, guys. Thank you. I always say thank you because I know so I know if you can't eat with me, but in spirit, you people are enjoying it with me. Osaze, thank you for passing by. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am definitely enjoying this food, and just pay me say una no dey here with me to enjoy am. The thing makes sense. I know they like cold food, so I need to eat and rush. If not, the food go cold. I not go feed it again because I know they like cold food. So don't be offended if I'm eating it rush, and with the way I go to lick my hand. I need to say that one first. Don't be offended the way I use my hand to eat. That is just me. I cannot be you, and you can't be me. So please don't be offended. May I first beg you first. May you not vex. Oh my God. I'm going to eat it fast. I need to make a corn of it. If you are seeing this babe for the thank you very much, my darling mama. Yes, so this food, so they know they form itamo. They know they form they know they form itam. Pepper do well. You dey dip your two hands. Thank you for feeling me, my auntie. Yo, you need I was here for. Let me see the comment here. If I have comments, Mama mia. As I warm this soup just now, I put more pepper. So come like say pepper come too much now. No, not too much in the sense say I beg I have to shut. Who help? Mama, my body dey hot. I feel like pulling this one, but I can do with it because if I pull on now, my mother-in-law will tell me say I naked for Facebook. So let me respect myself and respect my mother-in-law. Very important. I love that woman, so I need to give her the maximum respect. I dey feel it sharp. Ekolo, let's go there. So. Me not like cold food. I don't like it. Because anything will make me eat cold food. I feel it metal, I'm not going to eat and finish. So I like it hot. Nice. I like my own hot. Very hot. You go to burn my hand. Some of my classmates now don't send me friend requests. Now they'll come to see me. Me when they talk for class, they'll come to see the way they eat, the way they talk for Facebook. Yeah. Very sorry. If you have seen this babe for the first time, my platform, not the platform where for the shame. The day when I go invite you, come eat for my kitchen. If you not bath, come I fit tell you say go bath because now our body they say they eat food for my house. Even if you fall for here, you go take can lick. If you fall for here, you go take can lick. If you even fall for ground, you go lick. Mama mia que card. I'm up on no, I know that. I know that I gotta feel it. Because as me they eat now, I can't feel it. Now don't come again with now vomit hand. Huh? With the Arab writing of name. Huh? It is not for you, my dear. If you don't like it, it's not compulsory you must like it. Eh? Do you need bucket? Let the person with the vomit. You need bucket? May I give you bucket? May you vomit? Thank God, say I'm not even call the name. Evil self. If you need bucket, let me give you bucket to vomit. Huh? I get bucket, Sarah. They my what you call it? They my bedroom. If you need bucket, let me give you a bucket to throw up. If you need a bucket, tell me, let me give you a bucket so that you can throw up. I do video finish. I see one of my girlfriends where they put red head for my video when I do. I say, see this one, oh, see this one, oh. See this one, oh. Oh, no, you may never bahara. You go. No, I'm not no boy, I'm with red head, Joe. Then hand it to put red head. So I just boof her. She's my friend, though. The only place we go for pay me, I wish not they chop the kind food when I chop. Naija for life, I don't feel shocked. Yes, so after putting vomit for me, you are putting Naija. That be Naija. I know, How is everybody doing? I'm very sorry for eating very fast because if this food cold, I'm not gonna eat them. This is how I eat. I need to do it. If I don't eat this food to console myself this afternoon, wait till I gain. Exam when I do, I've been a test when I do. The only God know whether I go carry 50. So I can't, after school, I can't do what I know how to do best. Eating. And licking of plates. If you don't like it, pass. If you like it, join me. And I'm happy you are here too. Okay? I like to. You like to lick soup, Abi? Okay. My sister, Don't give anybody the chance to run your battery down. Lick your soup with pleasure. Oh, Papa. Soup when I give my oga, because my oga love more of okra, which is sorry ogbolo, because this one is ogbolo. Food when I give my oga, excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. That is what I'm talking about, man. So, food when I give my oga, he scrape all the padayam. After scrape and finish. Now so the soup menu. Now what it remain for inside. If they lick soup, oga the lick soup. Sometimes you go use hand take dig down. Because they tell me say you no feel the soup. My darling, lick your soup, man. Lick it. If they want make we they do like America, make the carry us go America. Even some Italians, when the country when me they say, if you see the way some Italians say they eat with their hand, you yourself you go tired, you go pay. Some Italians the way they say they eat with their hand, you go pay. For Nigeria we get tissue. We will never buy tissue to clean and finish. Now we go buy tissue to take the clean one. For Nigeria, you use your cloth doing like this, or you use hand doing like this. When you see say something follow your hand, you go lick and get like this. Can they form for me, my dear? Continue with the red head, sweetheart. Nice. You were telling me you lick soup too. I beg, oh, my sister lick soup. Oh, not let anybody hold you. Oh. One of my mama there now when I want make a great weller. Yeah, she really encouraged me, and she called me and encouraged me and tell me not to listen to anybody. Yes, so thank you very much, ma. If you are still here, I saw you just now. Where you comment? Don't take your name. Go down. I don't know whether I greet you just now. Wow. Excuse me. Excuse me. You are on your own. They'll carry me go restaurants. I go use my whole body to eat. Even if person not carry me safe, I go. If I carry myself go Chinese, because they like all those guys chop one, chop two. Maybe not those things for Facebook. All those guys chop, if not because of this lockdown, where it can't come out soon. I use my 2 hands to the shakara. I call them my house. I not go eat. I invite you to come my house. You will not like what you see. Maybe tomorrow you go like. I not say you come out or not come out. Tomorrow you like what I go do. So maybe this one not be for you. Oh my God, this soup is new stick. Who is screenshotting me? Please screenshot them. Good. Hello. Hello, my darling sister. Good afternoon. How you day? How that side? You just screenshot me, Abi. Which one you want, sweetheart? Which one you want? You want make I do the bone like this? Make I do the bone like this. As Naija babe, nothing will happen. May I do the bone like this? Or may I do like this? My sweetheart friend in the screenshot me. All this mountain. Screenshot. That's my darling sister. Thank you very much for passing by my page. God bless you, my sister. You do was a little bit about I appreciate you, man. I'll start. Family of fork and knife. No worry, I'm on my way. I'm not supposed to use fork and knife. This person of you laugh to me. Electric the shock am. Sweetheart, I no go remain meat for you, oh. I don't remain meat for you. Now lie. Huh? You don't ever beg your sister meat. Me and my sister will senior me with a fight. Now she get meat. Now me go still thief and meat, follow and fight, put. Don't will senior me direct. Good afternoon, my beautiful ladies. I can see you all here with me. Hey, yeah, thank you all so much. I appreciate you now. And I know say I get difficulties in calling names. When I can't pronounce your name, just know that I know that I did not see you, but I have difficulty. This is what I'm good at. To read names, not be waiting. Even to read comments, I'm trying, you know. But if I can't pronounce your name, just know that not maybe I don't want to call the name wrong. Okay, that's it. Deep boy, thank you for passing by. Chioma, I see you. I've greeted you before. Mama Tonya, hey, yeah, you come. Auntie Sunday,